welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Through a carefully controlled process, precise ratios of ingredients are maintained, ensuring Coca-Cola's signature taste. Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, Fair-Trade, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.